You will not regret making the decision to come work for Mayo Clinic Health System here in Mankato.
The thing that sets Mayo apart is the access that we have, whether it's to Rochester or to smaller communities, and the impressive amount of technology and resources that we have available to us. That's one piece of it, but the other piece is Mayo's constant strive for excellence and that expectation of knowing that we are Mayo and we are going to be held to a different professional standards, we're going to be held to a different level of excellence and a different level of education.
I did my training in Rochester, and so the Mayo Clinic values have been something that's kind of been instilled with me throughout training. You know, the needs of the patient come first. I practiced outside of Mayo for a while. You know, this is one of the few places where you can work and truly practice medicine. We have both the time to spend with patients as well as the resources to provide them the standard of care that I was used to in my training.
Mayo Clinic here in South Central Minnesota is at the forefront of new developments, really recruiting, getting all the specialties, the new addition that we have that's going to be state-of-the-art.
You see the amount of investment is going into building our hospital system, investment in physicians, advanced practice providers, and nursing staff recently.
They're building what we're calling the bed tower, expanding a lot of our bed capacity. It's going to be renovating some of the departments that we already have, like the birthing center, ICU, and PCU.
We're looking to get a second robotic system within the next year. Our ability to adequately take care of the patient population out here is going to be even stronger.
Being a part of the Mayo Clinic family is so important for myself and my patients because I know that the collaborative care that I have with my colleagues is going to ensure that those patients are receiving the best care possible.
Leadership genuinely care about their staff. I feel supported 100% in my work here. My coworkers are like my family. We take our job seriously, but we also interject fun and have fun here. People genuinely care about each other, and when you have that kind of support, it's going to affect the kind of care that they get.
Part of working here gives you that free time. My wife and I, we're both physicians here, and so we have a couple of Newfoundlands, and so we have to walk them and take care of them.
Quality of life in Mankato is phenomenal. I have young children. This is a safe community with lots of recreational activities and parks and families. We enjoy the rich natural areas and parks. And in the winter months, we enjoy tubing and skiing at Mankato. The community is diverse in the arts and history, entertainment.
Mankato is truly the best of both worlds. There's a sense of home, a sense of small town. You still run into people you know at the grocery store, but it's still large enough to offer a lot of great attractions, a lot of great retail, a lot of great restaurants or places to go, things to do.
Well, tonight I'm going to the Moondogs game. This just is like the best spot to raise a family. I have only excellent things to say about the school districts, the teachers. It's a great sized city and you can get from A to B in 15 minutes. You rarely have to sit in traffic, and it's close enough to the Twin Cities, close enough to Rochester. They just offer so many things here in Mankato that it just is such an appeal to me. And when I moved here 31 years ago, I didn't think I would still be here. This is where I'll retire for sure, so down the road.